Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Endurance Peak II second generation wireless Bluetooth sport earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earphone or the right earbud are not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you just need to get a new set of earphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a great set at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of it, clear everything out so you can just get a fresh start like it's a brand new set of earbuds. This will go ahead and do it, and it's real easy to do. We just need to put the earphones in the case like so, leaving the case open, make sure they're well seated and they are charging. And once we do that, then we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the right earbud for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, that will cause this earbud to reset, both earbuds to reset to their factory default settings, at which point we can take them out and set them up as a new set of earbuds.